At Pool Rescuers, our main focus is on providing a complete pool maintenance system that manages your pool correctly and provides the healthiest water possible. We have created a specific system that checks 4 primary areas and 3 secondary areas of your pool's condition each week we service the pool. Regardless of condition, our service techs will skim it, brush it, empty the baskets, and balance the chemicals on every visit. These are our 4 primaries that ensure a clean and healthy pool. When needed, our techs will provide 3 secondary steps of vacuuming, backwashing, and cleaning salt cells if they apply. With these steps, we can ensure our customers' pools have been managed correctly. All these steps are tracked on our mobile app and sent to our customers when we are finished servicing the pool. We understand that our customers, their friends, and their families swim in this water, and we take this responsibility seriously. There is an amazing amount of water chemistry knowledge within our company. We are dedicated to knowing how water works and how to properly adjust the water environment in each one of our clients' pool. But the water is just one part of your pool system. When it comes to your pool's mechanical systems, we have a full team of knowledgeable repair technicians that provide a service for your filter cleanings all the way to pool automation. Our web-based dispatch system keeps our pool technicians on time and efficient. We service the entire East Valley and offer 3 competitive monthly service plans to best fit our customers and their pools. Give us a call at 480-512-1346 or visit our website at poolrescuers.com to schedule your 50-point pool startup inspection. Let us rescue your pool.